Well, when you look at this function, you may think that it seems like it's a quotient because there is a 2 and it's over a sine squared 2x. But it's not a quotient because the 2 is not a function. The 2 is just a constant. So what we need to do is to bring what's in the denominator up into the numerator. And I was about to do it, and I thought, well, have I explained this to you? That it would be the same thing as this is sine 2x if I were to put brackets in here and then I squared it. I mentioned it in a previous video that mathematicians don't usually like putting the brackets. It's too much work, extra work. So what they do is they put the exponential right after the sign, and that's why it looks cleaner in this way. But if you are going to look at it this way, you can see that if I wanted to put this into the numerator, I could now write this as sine 2x, all right, to the obviously negative 2 exponent. And having done that, I can now differentiate dy over dx. And this is just a chain rule where I take that negative 2 and I bring it down to the front to multiply it by 2. And I will leave that sine 2x as it is. But now I need to, according to my rules, I need to diminish that exponent by 1. That will make it minus 3. Now that's not the end. Now I need to look at that composite function, which happens to be inside here, sine 2x, and now I need to differentiate sine 2x. And sine changes to cos, remains as 2x, and one more time I actually need to multiply it by 2 because 2 is inside 2x. And these are the rules of composite functions. If we want to tidy this up really nicely, then all we need to do is get all the 2's together. And there's a blue 2, a white 2, and a yellow 2 that can be all multiplied together. And this will become minus 8. We will now write out the cos, possibly 2x. And we can now rewrite the sine 2x, but it is to the negative 3. And because we are mathematicians and we need to write this properly, we do not like to leave a negative exponent in the numerator or anywhere, so we will change it into the denominator. And this will become minus 8 cos 2x, and underneath that we can write sine 2x to the 3. And once again, as mathematicians, we don't want to keep on writing those brackets, so we'll move that 3 after the sign. And in a very tidy fashion, we have 8 cos 2x over sine. We'll put the 3 here and leave the 2x. And this is our answer. Okay, I'll have one more video on differentiating the trigonometric functions, so subscribe if you want to get that video as well.